Good morning, and welcome to another episode of AM Inspiration. I'm your host, Clyde Lee Dennis, and I'm here to help you start your day with positivity and purpose. Let's begin with today's centering affirmation. I trust that I am exactly where I need to be right now. Take a slow, grounding breath, and let these words sink into your spirit. Even when the path feels uncertain, there is purpose in this moment. This affirmation is a gentle reminder that growth isn't always visible. Progress doesn't always feel fast, but that doesn't mean you're off track. When you learn to trust where you are, right now, peace replaces pressure. You stop fighting the flow and start honoring the unfolding of your journey. Here's how you can bring this affirmation into your day. Morning grounding practice. Start your morning by repeating this affirmation while breathing deeply. Let it anchor you in calm and remind you that you are not behind, you are becoming. Midday, reassurance. Reset. If doubt or impatience starts to rise, pause and silently recite this affirmation. Remind yourself that life's timing is not always visible, but it is always working. Evening reflection of alignment. As your day winds down, revisit this affirmation and look for signs, no matter how small, that today was a meaningful step on your path. Give yourself permission to be at peace with where you are. Here's a helpful practice. Take a moment of stillness. Let go of the urge to rush or prove. Just breathe and allow yourself to feel supported by the timing of your journey. Here are a couple of related affirmations to carry with you. I release the need to control and trust in divine timing. And each moment is guiding me toward my highest good. That's all for now, my friend. Remember, win the morning, win the day. And don't forget, enough winning days will lead you to the life of your dreams. Thank you for listening to AM Inspiration. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.